So crazy games. We are gonna try a new game here, and it's gonna be called this one is gonna be the Madalin Stunt Cars 2, and this car was released in 2017. This game car, and it uses HTML5 along with Unity and WebGL. So this is pretty much the foundation that this video game is built on. So it's already loading. Okay, so you just click play, and here we have the display game control. So while we wait, so we have the drive car is the wasp, so W to move forward, A to move towards the left, S to move backward, and D to move towards the right. So we also have shift, so as long as you press W to move forward and shift to pretty much accelerate with nitro. So we also have the space to use the handbrake, T to show the map, and R to respawn. C is to change the camera view. So we have all this now, and while it's loading we can see some more information here. So Madalin Stunt Cars 2 is a 3D stunt driving game featuring some of the world's most powerful cars. Jump behind the wheel of your favorite automobile and race around one of the 3 expensive maps. You can invite your friends to play in any online multiplayer servers to share in the high octane tree. Also, it's already loading, and let me see. So you have some choices here. So you can player name. What else do we have? Okay, so this is gonna be my player name, and these are some rooms available to join. So I already click into join, and pretty much right now it's loading. Okay, so this might take a while. So how to play? You have single player car mode. Okay, so you have that online multiplayer mode. So this is the one that I already picked. Let me see if I click it again. Loading. Let's click it again. Okay, so well, let's keep waiting a little bit. So online multiplayer mode, click the multiplayer button to enter the online mode. Here you'll be able to find a populated server to create your own room or invite your friends, share the coolest stunts, and race against other players here. So yeah, this might be okay. Let me see. Okay, so so now we can start again. I can move W, shift. So now I am in nitro. Okay, so right now I am using my keyboards and the forward keyboard in my laptop. This is my car, so if I press C, okay, so I'm changing the view. Okay, I'm pressing C, changing the view. Okay, so I'm using the police car. That's fine. Yeah, that's cool. Let me see. Okay, whoa! Yeah, that's not cool. Okay, so yeah. Let me see, I can make some stunts here. Whoa! Uh-oh. Yeah, okay, that's cool. Okay, so you can try to make some stunts. So, but now I need some. Okay, now I'm gonna press shift. Let me see, I can do this. No. Okay. Yeah, that's kinda cool, this game. Oh no. Let me see what else we can do here. If I press T, okay, so I can see the map. That's cool. Okay, T is to show the map, C is to change the view. What it was, let me see if I press tab. Okay, no, nothing is happening. But yeah, this game is pretty straightforward. Yeah, with the WASP functionality, W to move forward, so that is the one that I'm using, W. So A is to move towards your left right now as I'm doing. If I press D, I'm moving towards my right. Let me see if I can do this. Whoa, that's cool. And S is to, let me see if I, okay, whoa. No. Oh man. Okay. If I press, let me see if I press S, I'm gonna start moving backwards. Okay, yeah, that's cool. So this is pretty much this game functionality, and this is multiplayer, but I don't see any more players right here. Let me see if I can make some more stands for now. Okay, I'm gonna go right here. Whoa! Yeah, whoa, that's cool. Yeah, this is a pretty cool game. So, and again, you can build those kind of games with WebGL and right now with Unity in this case. Whoa! Unity alone. Whoa! Oh, come on, man. Unity along with HTML5 and WebGL, so they are using here Unity. Oh man, let me see if I can. Whoa! Yeah, that's pretty cool. Let's change the scene. Oh man. I mess up. Oh man. Let's see if we can change this. Let's see if we can maybe let me see. Let's pick another car. Let's pick. Okay, let's pick that one. So we have this Lambo, this green Lambo. Or yeah, this red one is cool. So as you can see, I'm pressing C, and you can check. Okay, so you can see the interior of this Lambo. Okay, everything is cool. Let's see again the display control. So change camera view, C, R is respawn. Okay, T is to show the map, and spaces is to use the handbrake. Okay, shift is to accelerate. Yeah, this is pretty straightforward. Let's give it another try. Okay, so I'm gonna press C again. Okay, so yeah, this one is cool. Okay, I'm gonna press shift right now. Yeah, nice. Alright, that's cool. Let's see what else we have here. Okay, so I press the space keyboard, so pretty much that is the brake. So we have the crazy games, and you can play all these games online. The one that we are trying is the Madalin Stunt Cars 2, and again, so here we have the technology is they're using HTML5 along with Unity and WebGL, and again a little bit of knowledge about HTML5. The term is essentially a buzzword that refers to a set of modern web technologies. This includes the HTML living standard along with the JavaScript APIs to enhance storage, multimedia, and hardware access. Okay, so we also are dealing with the Unity, and we are seeing the documentation right now. So this is how we are going to start building games. What else do we have here? So okay, so who wrote this game? The author doesn't appear here, but okay, so so here we have how to play the single player mode. You have the online player mode, choose your vehicle, supercar, so you have a bunch from Lamborghini, Ferrari, all the stuff. What else do we have? Features, incredible 3D graphics in your web browser. Okay, more Madalin games. So the developer Madalin Stunt Cars 2 is developed by Madalin. Okay, so this is the guy for this person from Romania. This is the platform. And what else do we have here? So the controls, as we already saw, is the WASD. so WASD. We also have the arrow keys to drive, so I was using the arrow keys. And yeah, I mean, that is a pretty cool game to play. And as you can see, the main technology that's been used is been HTML5, Unity, and WebGL.